One of the biggest questions in the paving game, whether it be Adbri or any of our competitors, is about the colour variation in pavers. Now you need to take into account that all our pavers are made from natural raw materials like sand or crushed stone, and so from one end of the quarry to the other there could be variance. The simplest way to eliminate that problem on your job is to order the materials from the one batch. Now do your maths and preparation before you order your materials to know exactly what you need. If you look at these two pavers here, they're called Haven Pave. They're 200 by 200 and they come in a charcoal colour, but you can see the variation in them. There's nothing wrong with them, they were just manufactured 12 months apart. Now if you ordered these ones and 12 months later you want to get some of these, that's what you're going to be looking at. Sometimes it's a perfect match, but sometimes Mother Nature is smarter than Adbri.